Love your friends and family, love them every day. L-O-V-E, 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 love them every day.
Hello, let's draw a couple of birds. First, we create a horizontal line for the wing. Then we draw several C's for the feathers. Now we draw the other wing. We complete the body of the bird. Draw the tail of the bird. A triangle for the beak, and an inverted letter U for the eye. You can draw some lines to decorate the belly. Now repeat for the other bird. Finally, draw a heart in the middle. Have fun coloring it.